Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your customer data with RingCentral easy tutorial step by step clearly. To protect your customer data with RingCentral, start by logging into your RingCentral account. Navigate to the admin portal by clicking on the admin option in the top menu. In the admin portal, select security from the side menu. Here, you'll find various security settings to protect your data. First, enable two-factor authentication for all users. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification. Next, review the user permissions. Ensure that only authorized users have access to sensitive customer information. Then, set up strong password requirements for all accounts. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters to make passwords harder to guess. After that, update your data retention policies. Specify how long you will keep customer data and when it should be deleted. Next, regularly back up your data. This ensures that you can recover information in case of a breach or system failure. You should also educate your team on data security best practices. Hold training sessions to make everyone aware of potential threats like phishing attacks. Finally, monitor your account activity frequently. Review call logs and messages to identify any suspicious behavior. By following these steps, you'll enhance the protection of your customer data with RingCentral. Implement these practices to maintain your clients' trust and ensure compliance with data protection regulations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.